Hey everyone! I'm really excited to share with you today the products that I've found that can replace plastic Ziplocs and wraps. I came across this reusable silicone food storage bags while I was shopping at Trader Joe's. They are $9.99, I believe. Each pack comes with 3 silicone bags, a small one, a medium one, and a big size one. What I like about these reusable silicone bags is that they are super durable and easy to zip and unzip. They're great for storing fruits, sandwiches, just about anything that you need to seal or put into the fridge. And the cool thing is that they're really easy to wash, so you can just toss them into the dishwasher or just rinse them by hand. They're also microwave and freezer safe. I got 2 packs so that I can reduce the use of plastic Ziplocs whenever I can, and so far I really like them. Moving on to reusable wraps. So if I have to store this drink in the fridge, I would usually just use the plastic wrap and put a rubber band around it just to make sure it's airtight. And then I found these little silicone wraps that would do the job better. So all you have to do is just find the right size, place it over on the top, and that's it. It's nice and tight. So now when you're done with the wrap, instead of removing and tossing, you can just rinse it and reuse it again and again. These reusable wraps come in different sizes for different containers, cups, bowls, and plates. The larger wrap also works for kind of square-shaped plates. It might be a little bit tighter to put them on, but it does the job pretty well as well. Although I really wish they have big enough size for these big oval plates. Next, I want to show you these beeswax food wraps as an alternative to plastic wraps. Made from all natural ingredients, and each pack comes with 3 wraps in different sizes. The patterns are really cute. They're a little bit sticky to open, but the stickiness actually make it really effective as food wraps. To wrap, for example, a fruit, simply grab a appropriate size of beeswax wrap and just wrap around the fruit and gently press on to make it stick together. You can also wrap it over a container like you would with plastic wraps. The package I purchased also comes with these mesh bags where you can put fruits and vegetables and when you go grocery shopping. And I also got these beeswax wraps in a long row where you can cut them to the size you need. To me, these reusable food wraps and storage bags are definitely more sustainable options and alternatives to plastic wraps and Ziplocs. Even though these may not completely replace plastic wraps in some cases, in many cases it does help cut those down if being used consistently. You can find the links to the products mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.